But let's talk about the markets as well and how that shaped up. Well, let's take a look at the Wall Street. Now, remember, there are tensions on the US and the Iran front that have escalated and that have sent the oil prices sitting up, racing past the $90 per barrel mark. But on Friday, how the Wall Street shaped up was that it ended in the sea of red. We did see cuts coming across. At least on Friday, Dow Jones was down 400 odd points, S&P 500 down 1%, and Nasdaq also, shut shop with cuts of 1.5%. And for the week also, we did see a sea of red coming in for the Wall Street. We had S&P 500 dropped 1.6%, Nasdaq shut dropped 2.9%, and Dow Jones was down 0.9%. Additionally, VanEck Semiconductor ETF saw its third weekly decline in 4 weeks, losing nearly 9%. In fact, if the experts are to be believed, there is more drawdown in the offing for the semiconductor names, which are already seeing a sell-off in the market. And on account of that, we do see Nasdaq also declining with cuts of almost 3% in last week's trading session for the Wall Street. But let's talk about the crude prices. Like I mentioned, crude is on the boil. Brent is sitting above the $90 per barrel mark. It is right now, as we speak, it has climbed 2.5%. WTI is also almost touched $85 per barrel mark. 2.5% of an uptick is what WTI is also witnessing as of now. Remember, Kuwait has said that Iran has attacked their water desalinization and power plants, and on account of that, the tensions have escalated yet again, and there was heavy firing across, US and Iran over the weekend. And on account of that, the crude is rising at this point. Let's take stock of how the Asian handover looks like. The Asian handover is mixed. Now, remember, Nikkei is shut today on account of a holiday, but the Chinese market, Hang Seng and Shanghai, both of them are bucking the trend and trading with gains of 1% and 2% respectively. S&P ASX 200 is absolutely flat in today's trading session, and the implied start to Nifty is also indicating a very directionless start to the week. 13 points cut is what we are witnessing. A very muted flat start is what we can expect to the Indian market as well. And it's a wait and watch as to how the markets really react, especially to the elevated crude prices.